Arkadaşlar merhaba, hoş geldiniz. Merhaba Maşa.
Merhaba.
What is our grammar topic for today?
Today we are learning locative suffix.
Lokatif suffix. Okay. Firstly, let's have a look to harmony. How is harmony work? But before that, I want to explain something how we use the dade in Turkish languages. We can clearly say dade. We can make some small symbol. So we can say in, at, and on in English. But in Turkish languages, this depend the sentence can change. How is work harmony? Let's making some examples about that. For example, araba. How we say car in the avenue? So we are looking the last syllable vowel and belong this group. So coming this one. Caddede. Araba caddede. And one more. Kitap. So, Marsha, do you want to try? How do you say book on the table?
Kitap masada.
Again, good. So, you see, it's the last syllable vowel, belong this group, and goes this one. But I don't want you focus too much and when you are talking and thinking too much, because even you make small mistakes, in time you can just feeling that. So let's give more example and try to understand the harmony rules. So Masha, try.
Kalem çantada.
Okay, very good. One more. Balık is fish. Deniz sea. So try this one.
Balık denizde.
Next one. What about this one?
Masa salonda.
What about this one?
Ayşe İstanbul'da.
Çok güzel. Okay. Burayı siliyorum. I am erasing here. Okay. Now I'm erasing also harmony rules. Because I want you try to feeling, okay? Remember, don't afraid to make mistake. Because harmony mistakes like second priority. Even you make mistake, still people understand you, but in time you just feeling all of them. Tamam. Next one. Try this one.
Resim duvarda.
Para is money. Cüzdan, wallet. So,
Para cüzdanda.
what about this one?
Çanta yerde.
Try this one.
Telefon odada.
Oda, room. What about this one?
Çocuk koridorda.
Bilet is ticket. Try this one.
Bilet Ali'de.
I am erasing here. Burayı siliyorum. Let's do one example. Okay, try this one.
Kedi kanepede.
Gazete, newspaper. Yer is floor. Okay, try.
Gazete yerde.
Okay, great. Lamba, lamp. Sehpa, coffee table. So, try.
Lamba sehpada.
Try this one.
Saat duvarda.
Okay, one more. Try this one.
Pencere odada.
Great. Okay, burayı siliyorum. Let's go here. Try this one.
İnek bahçede.
Öğrenciler. Okul is school. Öğrenci, student. So,
Öğrenciler okulda.
kamyon, truck. Kamyonlar, we make plural. Otoyol, highway. So, try.
Kamyonlar otoyolda.
Doktorlar. Let's make plural. Okay, try now.
Doktorlar hastanede.
Bardak, glass. Yer is floor. Try this one.
Bardak yerde.
Okay. Try this one.
Paris Fransa'da.
What about Ankara? Capital city. Try this one.
Ankara Türkiye'de.
Okay. Now I'm erasing here. Try this one.
Otel Taksim'de.
Okay. Çocuk is child. Çocuklar children. Okay. Try this one.
Çocuklar plajda.
And this one.
Televizyon evde.
And last one. Try this one.
Film stüdyoları Amerika'da.
Tamam. Arkadaşlar bugünlük bu kadar. Umarım sizin için faydalı olmuştur. Sonraki derste görüşmek üzere.